How to create a food motion ad poster using Canva. First, create a poster design. Click on Create a Design. Choose Feed Ad Video Portrait. Go to Photos. Search for a gray background. Add a photo to the canvas. Click on More, then set image as background. Click on Text. Add a heading. Type Momo 3 times. Make it uppercase. Choose the Horizon font. Change the font size to 130 pixels. Make the text single line. Rotate it to 30 degrees. Arrange it from the top left corner. Select all these texts. Reduce transparency to 5. Now, copy all these and arrange them from the bottom right corner. Go to Elements and add a square shape. Change its color to green. Rotate it to 30 degrees. Place this shape to fill the gap in the middle. Go to Elements, add a line. Change its color to white. Change its style. Rotate this line also 30 degrees. Place it at the edge of the shape. Copy and place it on the other side. Copy the Momo text. Increase transparency to 100. Change the color to white. Change the font size to 230 pixels. Now place this text between the two lines. Go to Photos, search for Momo. Add a Momo's plate. Click on Edit Image, then BG Remover. Now adjust its size and place it in the center. Next, go to Elements and search for Circle Shadow. Add a shadow graphic. Adjust its size. Place it behind the plate. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type Delicious. Choose the Pacifico font. Change the font size to 60. Click on Effect. Apply Lift Effect. Now add Momo text. Change the font to New Wave. Change the font size to 135 pixels. Make it uppercase. Change the color to green. Now adjust both text positions. Go to Elements and add a square shape. Change corner rounding to 100. Adjust its size and position. Change its color to green. Add an order text. Make it uppercase and change the color to white. Change the font size to 40 pixels. Apply Lift Effect on it. Add an offer text with New Wave font and green color. Reduce line spacing. Go to Elements. Search for Momo. Take a Chinese word. After this, search for boiled dumplings. Add a dumpling element. Now adjust their size and position. You can also use your own logo. Go to Elements. Add a call icon. Place it in the bottom left corner. Now add your phone number. Now add a web icon. Adjust its size and position. Next, add your website address. Your design is ready. Let's animate the design. First, increase the time duration to 10 seconds. Go to Elements and search for an arrow. Click on Filter. Check on Animated. Add an animated arrow. Place it to indicate the Order Now button. Send it to backward. Add another arrow that indicates the Momo title. Send it to backward. Select all elements. Click on More. Then Show Timing. Now reduce all elements timing to half like this. No change in the timing of Momo text at the back. First, select all the Momo text in the back. Apply baseline animation. Change the direction to downward. Apply the same effect to the other text. Now change the direction to upward. Select the rectangle. Apply Wipe Animation Effect. Apply Wipe Animation Effect to both lines and change their direction opposite to the rectangle. Adjust elements time like this. Adjust its speed. Adjust the duration every time, same as before. Select the plate and shadow. Apply Pop Animation Effect. Select the Momo text. Apply Spread Animation Effect. Apply burst animation to the title text. Apply pop animation effect to the order elements. Apply pulse motion effect to the Order Now text. Apply succession effect to the discount element. Go to Elements. Add an animated circle element. Adjust its position and timing. Add succession effect. Add blur animation effect to the logo. Select call and web icons. Apply pop animation effect. Select both texts. Apply wipe animation effect. Select the Momo plate. Apply rotate motion effect. Now hide the timing. Your motion ad is ready. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.